Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is Nachooks and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. If today is the first time we see our program, for here we'll bring you football updates all over the world, bring you news from La Liga, Premiership, Serie A, and the rest of the world. For now, we'll start with Arsenal Football Club. On my familiar setting, they call they ask Mikel Arteta, say, what did they suck with Leno? And say, Leno, they talk, say, you know, tell and reason we make and they drop. So, what's in there to talk about this kind of allegation we Leno they drop for outside? So, Baba call they talk, say, when you see that news, say, the thing shock him, say, because before he make that changes, say, with Leno discuss like 48 hours before. So, but you know, if you come for me that setting, I call they talk waiting, tell them because anything we then do for dressing room. Say gas to dey private to get say that place gets one kind concealment, so then if you just come dey talk and say I need expect Leno to do the same thing, make nobody blab your mouth for outside, they talk wetin dey happen for inside. If you dey annoyed, so wetin you just expect for Leno na be say they come training, they do the way they do normally, they train, they will give other people chance now because we try to take the club to another level. You get, we need high competition for the squad you get, so make Leno no go dey reason am in a different way. At the same time, Gabriel Magalhaes don't come outside from media set where they call they ask him say how him stay for Arsenal. So Baba call the talk say make it no lie. Say the first year for Arsenal, say it was very tough. You know, say they come from Lille now, you know they used to speak in English, you get onto Brazilian when be. So I say come here, the saving grace when come get busy. Some people they speak Portuguese, so we call they follow there, at least they will explain some kind of things to them. But you know say anything for England, and this place now English speaking country. So if you know they speak English, you go dey restricted somehow. So someone struggle well. So but now no be saying English 100% complete though, but at least if it they still they speak small, if they speak English, people go understand, but you never refine and well. So now what just so, but overall, saying they enjoy stay faster. Ramsdale self don't come outside, they talk about Tomiyasu, say as a goalkeeper, if you get that kind of Tomiyasu for your front, so you go dey very happy because the guy love football. You know, the guy they breathes football, and say you go forget say this guy is just 22. So now what they make and they happy, say the guy get a lot of room to improve at 22. Everybody don't already they sing in praises and he never reach in peak. If he can reach in peak, he will be like one of the best right backs in the world. So he just be happy for the guy. So make the guy just they improve, they go. Our guy Southgate don't come outside from media sets when they ask him, say, what's he making no call up Smith Rowe now? They should be in the see all the performances that the guy they do after all. He don't watch some of his games. So Baba can talk, say, say making know that say they watch this guy, they monitor and say the guy, they really like the guy. Gonna say the guy they very close to an England call up. Say make just continue waiting they do. Say anytime soon now, they will call him up. On my Messi Royale don't come outside, they talk about what happened between him with Arsenal. You know say now this guy now Arsenal be one sign. Before they can go sign Tomiyasu, so Baba can talk say him with Edu Gaspar, maybe our technical director, see them talk one-on-one, see them reason. So you do tell them about the vision of the club, how they want to do everything with young boys, you know. Then all of a sudden, Barcelona can't reason and say Tottenham don't approach them more, and say Tottenham don't offer money, say they don't accept Tottenham contract offer. You know, say Barcelona say need money like mad. So we can go join them. That is why Arsenal can say, okay, since this guy no there, and meanwhile, because Arteta they tell you do say you don't want Emerson Royal, say na Tomiyasu 9-1 because don't scamp the guy. And why one time you say the guy can play for any position for that back, he can play centre back, can even play left back, can play right back. You get occasionally say we can even draft and enter defensive midfield if things they scattered for that place. So you can check the versatility of the guy. You can say, sure, man, give me Tomiyasu. So that's why Arsenal can go for Tomiyasu. And lo and behold, completely Tomiyasu they better than Emerson Royal. Even though Tomiyasu they play for Bologna, Emerson Royal they come from Barcelona. So sometimes no be about the club, not about the player. Mark Lawrence now come outside, they give him prediction for the match between Arsenal and Brighton. So back on the talk for this match, saying they see that kind 2-0. You get. So that one na your prediction. At the same time, Paul Merson himself don't come outside, they predict to you and say saying no to the 100% fit for Arsenal, but he no see Arsenal losing this match with the high momentum where they get. Then they say Arsenal winning 2-1. Well, for me, my own prediction, I dey see Arsenal winning 2-0. I see us keeping a clean sheet for 2-0. So I don't know what to be my own prediction. Let me know what you think Arsenal go play today. I get one argument people they always argue whenever we talk about this Leno and Ramsdale. So people they talk say the defense where Ramsdale gets, say no being then give Leno. People always they talk this thing. So they give Ramsdale Ben White, Gabriel Magalhaes, Tomiyasu, and Tierney, Xhaka, but better players, and Leno na ship pack and they will give, Leno they play with Holding and Mari. That is why I be like that. So my response, simple response, I want to give people like this, we say, you see this Ramsdale, we know they praise Ramsdale because of these 4 matches when he don't play. We are looking at his history, where he's coming from. Ramsdale don't dey for Sheffield United and they don't dey praise him since that time. Don't be now the praises start. Why be like this now? Be saying our players, so you're gonna hear the praises for our mouth. People pundits don't they praise him since when he did for Sheffield United. They call him the best shot stopper in EPL. They don't see Henderson, they don't see David De Gea, they don't see Mendy, they don't see Kepa Arrizabalaga. Why they talk saying him be the best shot stopper? Because when he did for Sheffield United in defense, then you know go compare the defense of Sheffield United with the defense of Man City, with the defense of Liverpool, with the defense of Chelsea, with the defense of Man U, because then they face constant attack, they face constant threats. People they wipe the keeper shot, and that's how the guy they knock they just score am, but at the same time they knock am. So now we be saying don't come big team, now the same form. No believe him. I dey always talk this thing. Him and Sam Johnston of Newcastle, they are the best shot stoppers in the league because they don't face more shots. If they play against Man City, how many goals Man City they concede in a season? So far now, now only 1 goal they don't concede. So how many goals that they concede? Where you go talk say okay, Man City plenty shots with the wipe there. How many times their defenders, although Ruben Diaz now Laporta, how many times did they allow attackers to even wipe shots, give Ederson, they go block them? But Sheffield United they face constant threats, so that is why as this guy don't come Arsenal, we dey very happy. And the guy is still young, like 22-23. So make that way they give that comparison. If you won't give that kind of comparison, tell Leno make him go play for Sheffield United or make him go play for a smaller club. Now there you go see how worse Leno did. So make I just die of this matter a bit. Leno don't share. Henry, one of our legends, don't come outside from media set when he disagree with him papa will be Arsene Wenger. So you know Arsene Wenger they propose say whether they play World Cup every 2 years. You know say since when this guy don't they work for FIFA now, so you call they write some kind of proposals to change how football structures be. So when they come outside talk say oh that one a bad idea because 4 years gone that one said we even disturb because after I go play league you come go play World Cup. See they affect players mentality, you get. Now I work on the put them every 2 days. So these players they don't be machine now, so make calm down, you get. Then they do things like that. So Henry they oppose to the idea where Wenger they propose. Well, we'll see how this one they go. At the same time, Arsenal they reason David Raya, will be goalkeeper of Brentford, as a replacement of Ben Leno if Leno finally come out. But this one go mad because David Raya said now mad keeper, or the guy will come really rival our own Ramsdale. Well, most as they turn out sha. I doubt so we'll sign the guy because the guy good going. I'm gonna enter match of the day. Brighton versus Arsenal. Brighton go host Arsenal for Ahmed Stadium as Arsenal they hope to continue their winning run. Oyamo check their head-to-head. For the last 4 games for Brighton home, Arsenal win 1, draw 1 and lose 2. Last season we win 1-0 for here. Arsenal get full squad except Granit Xhaka wey dey out. For this match, like I talked before, I see Arsenal winning 2-0 because e no suppose hard for us. Now we Brighton and Shana because they don't win some kind, they win Leicester and they win some kind of people. Leicester sef no dey informed this season. We check them, they far down for table. So for this match, forget I don't know how Brighton take strong reach. The only strong person we go to say you fear for that Brighton lineup now maybe Neil Mopé, the guy dey score well. Bissouma he get injury, he no even play against Crystal Palace for their last game, so I no expect him to play against Arsenal because if they rush and enter, this match will be high intensity match because we know we go there go play, we go there go knock them, so we need to stretch them well and Bissouma fit go aggravate in injury, so they fit no play him, and I mean one of their best players from midfield. They don't even get any replacements to replace the guy. So for this match, go knock them and now wetin I dey see. So my dear football lovers, na here we come to the end of today's show. Tomorrow I will come again, come giving a fresh updates as they drop all over the world. And if today is the first time we see our program, don't forget to like our post, share our videos, follow us and support us. I see that bell notification icon we did there. Toggle am so that when next we drop videos, YouTube and Facebook will notify you so we don't drop them. Thank you for always supporting us and God bless you.